Hi, good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine at home. Welcome to the another session of playing with numbers representing letter for digit. This chapter is very interesting for you because we are playing with games like different type of puzzles that come also in your magazines and newspaper. That is also part of this chapter. So here representing letter for the digit. So in this case, first you have to find the missing letter in addition. Like here I have a number 6, missing letter 8. Representing letters for digit means letter is written there in place of digit. You have to identify what will be the digit in that place. So here if you have a 3-digit number like this and missing digit in place of missing digit is written as A. So here you have, and total of these 2 3-digit numbers, sum of these 2 3-digit number is 1494. Now you have to identify according to that what will be the digit in place of the A. Whatever A will be here, that is same should be come here. So in this regard we go with the first step to finding the A. Here in this first case I have 8 plus A is equal to 4. This 4 means when you add these two digits, so there should be any number after addition. In that number one place should be 4. At one place should be 4. So we have to add that number according to that. It doesn't mean it should be exactly 4. It should be that number whose unit place, one place is 4. So in this case if I go with 6, so 8 plus 6 give me 14. Is the same number here 4 as ones place. Now we check with this whether this number is tallies with this or not. 6, 6, 8, 8, 2 and 6. When we go with the addition, 1 carry, 1 plus 6 plus 2, 9, and 6 plus 8 gives me 14. So that is exactly same as this. So it means in place of A my missing digit is 6. So that is for this case. But if I have two letters is given and I have to identify two digits, like in this 8298, in first 100 place digit is missing in both the 3-digit number and also one more 3-digit number in this ones and unit place, ones and 10 place digit is missing. So first we have to identify A, then try to identify B. Whatever B and A come here, so that should be same number should be placed in other. Now I go with first number 2 plus A. First step 2 plus 8 plus A. So that means I need any number here whose ones place is 2. I have to add number like that in place of A. So when I add, so this gives me any number whose ones place is 2. Like here if 2 plus 8, I know 2 plus 8 is 10. Then I move further from 10. So I think what number should be added in 10, that gives me any number whose unit place, ones place is 2. Okay, when we add 10 plus 2, that gives me 12. So it means 2 plus 8 plus 2. In place of A I add 2, that gives me 12. So it means 2 is in ones place. Now check with B. Now when you check with this 2 plus 8 10, 10 plus 2 12, that means 1 is carry forward. So when you're going to find the B, 1 should be added in this. Like in second step, 1 plus 8 plus 9 plus B is equal to 5. It doesn't mean 5 should be there. It means any number whose ones place is 5. Now we check with the number. Like here 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 9 18. It means we have to check after 18 that number whose unit place is 5. So what number should you have to add in 18. That gives you any number whose unit place is 5. When you check with 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yes, we stop at 25 and 25 unit place is 5. So it means when you add in this, after 18 you add 7. 18 plus 7 gives you 25. It means here it one's place is 5. Now we check with this. We got the B value as 7 and we got the A value as 2. Now we check with verify this. B value is 7, 7, 8, 2. A value is 2, 6, 7, 2. Now I check with the total. Now here B also is 7. It means that should be 17. Now 8 plus 4 12, 1 carry, 9 9 18 plus 7 25, 2 carry, and 11 plus 6 17. So this was my B number and this was my A number. So it means A value is 2 and B value is 7. In this regard, I have another problem sum. If P and Q are two 3-digit number, suppose any digit will be there, A, B and C. That is the digits. Okay, we consider first digit is A, second digit is B, third digit is C. So these are two 3-digit number each. And condition is that when you add these two 3-digit number, that gives you 640. And P is 100 greater than Q. P is 100 greater than Q means if you add in the Q number plus 100, Q plus 100, it means P is equal to Q plus 100. If in the number Q you add 100, that is equal to same as P. Okay. Now next thing is, what are the numbers? What are 3-digit number of P and what are 3-digit number of Q? First, if we consider 3-digit as A, B, C. C consider as 1 place, B consider as 10 place and E consider as 100 place. So according to that, my number P will be 100 place. In place of 100 there is A, in place of 10 there is B and unit place is C. So that is my P number. Now condition is that if Q is, if you find the Q from that, then Q will be P minus 100. It means when you subtract 100 from P, so that gives you Q number. If you subtract 100 from this, like 100A minus 100, then so that gives you Q number. It means other two digits should be same, only in 100 place digit should be decreased by 1, or you can write in this way also. If you want to find the Q number, if you write the P number like 100A plus 10B plus C minus 100. So when you take 100 common, so that is A minus 1 plus 10B plus C. So that is my Q number. Q number is 100, A minus 1, because we substitute here Q is equal to P minus 100. So you have to substitute this P value in place of P minus 100, take 100 common, A minus 1. Now how you represent this on a position? 100, tens and ones. In P number, 100 places A, 10 places B and 1 places C. And in Q, 100 places A minus 1, 10 places B and 1 places C. Now next question is, you have to find E, B, C, these 3 digits. So in the question it is given that when you add these two 3-digit number, your answer is 640. So that should be 640. You have to find according to that value. Now first we go with the C. If C, now you have to add. If C plus C is 0, in both the cases 0, so we consider as c is equal to 0. We find the value of this. Now go with b. B plus b, 4. This 4 means when you add these two numbers, 4 should be in one place. So here we can't consider as 2 plus 2 because it will not balance with a further. So after 4, next number whose unit place is 4, that is 14. When you 14 divide by 2, like 2 times b, or if we write b plus b is equal to 14. After 4, next number is 14. 2 times b is equal to 14, then 14 divide by 2, that gives you 7. It means b value will be 7. Now for the a value, now when you check with b plus b, 7 plus 7, 14, 1 carry. When you're going to find the a value, 1 should be considered in this. In the third step, 1 plus a. Why we add 1 here? Because here number is 14. When you add this b plus b and 1 is carried to the next number. So 1 must be added in the next number. Plus a minus 1 is equal to 6. 1 will be cancelled. 2a is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Now I check with the number, whatever I found, that here when we place the number in place of a, there is 3 7 0, 2 7 0. Now you check with the number, it gives you 640 or not? Yes, it gives me 640. It means that number is my p number and that number is my q number. So that will be your answer. Next topic is coding and decoding. Coding and decoding means some code given to you. According to this, you have to code the another thing. Like for example, suppose in your question, you have written all English alphabet from A to Z, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Z, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In the front of that number, I write the continuity number, like 1, A position is 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever counting number is there, I mark this number according to that. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. Okay, and each alphabet I mark as a 1 digit according to the serial number. Suppose I have in my question this type of coding is given, means you have to pick the code from the English alphabets A to Z. According to that, so what is the code of face? So first you have to check it, what is the value under F, that is 6. A value is 1, C value is 3 and E value is 5. So that means code of face is 6135. You have to write this, code of face is equal to 6135. But if question is asked for the what is the code value of code, if you have to find the value of code, you add these codes, 6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5, so that give me 15. So that is the value of the code. Okay, in this regard, if I have to find, if I have given like D is equal to 4 and cover, like cover is equal to 63, like value is given to me and I have to find the value of basis code. After finding the code, I have to find the value, like here 63. How it becomes 63? D is for a single letter here. Like cover, I check with the cover, like C value is 3, 15, V value further is, if you check for V value is 22, E value is 5 and next value is 18, your last R value here 18. When you add this like C, O, V, E and R values, that gives you 63. Okay, according to that you have to find the what is the value of basis. First you have to find the code of basis. Like here, B code is 2, A code is 1, S code is 19. You separate the codes. Okay, I code is 9, then 90, this one. So these are the different codes. Now next step is you have to add all these codes. Like here, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 and 20 and 20, that becomes 50. When you add this one, 19 plus 9 plus 19, that gives you 50. So it means 50 is the value of this basis. So that is the value of the code. If only asked for the code, you have to just go with this code, and if asked for the value of code, then you have to add all the numbers of the codes. Now here, that is for the given question, like if you have find the code from the English alphabet. But in the question, if you have write different codes like this. In the question you have given code of apple is 2 5 5 6 3, that is written, and in other words is this is given in your question 7 1 4 8. So using these two codes you have to find the value of purple. First code, then value. Okay, it means when you are going to find the value of purple, you have to pick the code from here, whatever given in your question. Like here, P code is 5, U is 1, R is 7, yes, and P is again 5, L is 6, and E is 3. So your code is 517563. So that will be your answer according to these two codes, whatever given to you. If code is not given, just written English alphabet, then you have to follow this one for finding the code. Otherwise, if code is given to you, you have to pick from here. Now here, if they ask for the value of the code, you add this 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3. So that gives you 10 plus 10, 20 plus 7, 27. 27 is the value of code. Thank you. Have a nice day.